Today I'm taking a look at the Solder Fume Extractor. So we got our instructions. It says that this is going to use 30 watts. It's going to run at 90 cubic feet per hour, and it runs at under 60 decibels. That's neat. So we got one of those little flexible pop hoses. We've got a horn for it. We got some filters. Here's our power supply. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 1.25 amps at 24 volts. And it looks like it actually comes with 2 packs of filters. So here's the extractor. We got our on-off switch here on the bottom. We got our clip for the lid. So there's some thick foam material here to make the seal. Here's our pre-filter. And here is our main filter. So it says this is a 120 by 120 by 50. If you need a replacement, that is the size you would get. In the bottom, we can see that that is not just a fan, that is actually a full-on impeller in there. So that should push plenty of air. In the back, we got our ratings, and then in the bottom is where our exhaust is. So with this filter, looks like each of these bags has 2 more filters in it, so there is a total of 5 filters. So let's see how it sounds. Okay. So that is not bad at all. That is a fairly pleasant level. You can definitely feel some suction on there. And we can see that it's pulling the smoke right in. Plus just the fact that we can have this thing hanging over our work where we're working will make it that much better. So if we pull it far away, it misses it. As long as we got it sitting on top, that is not a problem. Yeah, so that's not bad. Much better than breathing that smoke in. I'll pull it toward me a bit. Yeah, so as long as I stay within about 3 or 4 inches, I can pull that smoke right in. Cool. So if you're like me and you're worried about whatever nastiness is coming off of these soldering irons, especially with this solder, this is going to be a good investment to have. So overall, that is a nice little fume extractor.